All right, so in this lesson, we are going to calculate unknown angles, so unknown angles and lengths of kites. Now, before we find these unknown angles and lengths of kites, we have to know what a kite is. So a kite is a quadrilateral, so a four-sided polygon, a quadrilateral that has two pairs, so quadrilateral, that has two pairs of congruent sides. So as you can see, these two sides are congruent and these two sides are congruent. These two sides are congruent, these two sides are, well, it's the same one, right? But opposite sides are not parallel. So if you notice, EK is not parallel to TI. ET is not parallel to KI. These can't be parallel. If we ended up making them parallel, it would not be a kite. So a couple of other things that I want to show you. If you notice, of course, congruent, KE we'll put is congruent to ET. And KI is congruent to TI. And if you notice, they're at their intersection, this is 90 degrees. So 90 degrees, 90 degrees, so 90 degrees, 90 degrees, all the way around, right? And let's see. Oh, that's it for that one. So if you notice in this one, angle K is congruent to angle T. E is not necessarily congruent to I. So angle E, is not necessarily congruent to angle I. And lastly, when you have this, like, draw this line from E to I, like connecting this right here, the angles are, this is like a bisector, so I'm going to put bisector, an angle bisector. Well, I'll write that a little bit nicer. Bisector. And this one will be an angle bisector also when you connect them, which means that KEI, angle KEI, is congruent to angle TEI. Angle TEI. And angle EIK, or we'll say KIE, angle KIE is congruent to angle TIE, angle tie. Ooh. All right, so let's see, BD is perpendicular to what? So BD will be perpendicular to AC. Angle ABC, triangle ABC will be congruent to triangle ADC. So ABC congruent to ADC. ADC. I don't know why the A bothers me so much. Okay, ADC. I don't know if that's any better. Okay. Angle ABC, so this one right here, is congruent to angle ADC. Oh, and that goes with our triangles too, right? Triangle ABC, triangle ADC. And length AB, or side AB, so AB is congruent to AD. And lastly, angle BAC is congruent to angle DAC. So BAC is congruent to DAC. Angle DAC. And that's it. You'll use this information, though, to find unknown lengths. So it'll be more complicated than this. But at this point, you should be able to figure it out. Thank you.